Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of x if we have x multiplied by x multiplied by x is equals to x plus x, and we solve this problem for all the values of x. So here we need to find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. So now we move towards the solution of this problem. You see here in the left hand side, this x is multiplied by 3 times. It means that we need to add the exponent of these terms, and you see here the exponent of all of these 3 terms are 1. So after adding this, it will becomes x cubed is equals to, this is x plus x becomes here 3 times of x. And further in the next step here, we need to move this 3x from right hand side to the left hand side, and it will becomes x cubed minus 3x, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now here in the next step, we need to take common x from here, both of these terms. So when you take common x, we get the remaining values are, from here we get x square minus, from here we get 3 only, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now here in the next step, we need to divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write x is equals to 0, and the second case is we write x square minus 3 is equals to 0. So this is the first root of the given equation, and from here we get the other roots of the given equation, because you see here our given equation will becomes in cubic form. This means that this equation has 3 roots, so that here we just find all that 3 roots of the given equation. So we get the first root, and that is real root, and from here we get the other roots. So for this we get x square equals to, this is minus 3. When we move it into the right hand side, it will becomes plus 3. And for the values of x, we need to remove this square sign from left hand side, and for this we apply square root on both of the sides. So this 2 and this square root are gone, and we will get here x is equals to, because here we apply a square root on both of the sides, so that's why we can write plus minus sign on any one of the side. So these are the other two real root of the given equation. So here we get these are the one, and these are the two real roots of the given equation. So we will get here these are the total 3 roots of the given equation. And now here in the next step, we need to verify that is these roots are solution or extraneous root. For this we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is x multiplied by x multiplied by x is equals to x plus x plus x. And here in this side we verify x is equals to 0, and in this side we will be verify x is equals to square root of 3, and in this side we will be verify x is equals to minus square root of 3. So here we verify all of these 3 roots, and first we need to verify x is equals to 0, so that we put x is equals to 0 on both of the sides, and it will be written as 0 multiplied by 0 multiplied by 0 equals to 0 plus 0 plus 0. We know that when we multiply 0 with any times, it will become 0, and when we sum up 0 with any times, it will always become 0. So here we get both of these two are equal. It means that the value of x is equals to 0 is satisfied our given question statement. And now we move towards our second root, and here we need to substitute x is equals to square root of 3 on both of the sides. So here first we write over this given question into the simplified form, and you see here this will becomes x cubed equals to 3x, and now we put this value of x on both of the sides, and it will be written as, when you put it here, it will becomes square root of 3 and its whole cubed is equals to 3 times of square root of 3. And here you see that we just move this 3 inside the term, and it will be written as 3 cubed and its whole square root is equals to, this is 3 times of square root of 3. So here we break this 3 cubed as in this form. We write it as 3 square multiplied by 3 equals to 3 times of square root of 3. And here you see that this 3 square becomes 9. It will becomes 9 multiplied by 3 equals to 3 times of square root of 3. And here you know about that square root of 3 becomes 3 into square root of 3 equals to 3 times of square root of 3. So this shows that both of the sides are equal when we take x is equals to square root of 3. So this value of x is satisfied our given question statement. And now we move towards our third value of x, and now we put this value of x on both of the sides and it will be written as so when you put this value here, it will becomes uh, square root of minus square root of 3 and its whole cubed is equals to 3 times of minus square root of 3. And you know that when we can take cube root of negative term, it will becomes negative. And here we move this 3 inside the square root sign and it will becomes 3 cubed. And this is equals to, here we have minus 3 times of square root of 3. And here we break this 3 cubed as 3 square multiplied by 3 is equals to minus 3 times of square root of 3. So we know about that this 2 and square root are gone and we get here minus 3 times of square root of 3 equals to minus 3 times of square root of 3. So again you see here the negative value of x is also satisfied our given question statement. So all these three values are satisfied our given question statement. So finally we have the solution set of the given question is 0 and square root of 3 and minus square root of 3. So these are the three solutions of the given equation and this is the final answer. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.